Alright, back. Trash Metal Customs headquarters. Got some parts here in the mail finally. I've been waiting all week. Radiator, fuel pump, the works. So let's get started. Right, which one's the new one? Bottom one's the new one, top one is the one that looks like it's from Alabama. And got these bad boys from our friends at Tong Yang. 100% not American. Hope I don't get the coronavirus. There it is. I give our overseas friends I want to say a 7 out of 10, man, because there's one screw in each side that did not want to go in, and it's not going in because there's no way in fucking shit hell that's gonna go in. But anyways, there it is. Turned out good. Let's do some more shit. Thursday night, Trash Metal. We try to get a bunch of it done tonight. Been working on a couple customer vehicles, a couple diesels, stuff like that. Back to this thing. I got some door panels on Facebook Marketplace for 30 bucks. I clean them up a little bit still. I got a Hearst shifter. Got that all put in. It's kind of dark. It's kind of hard to see. I cut a coil out the front. So that's 2 coils out the front because the LS is super duper lightweight and that 351 modified and 4-speed is super heavy. Got a new front bumper for $35. Craigslist, man. New grille. Got a Dodge radiator for 80 bucks off Amazon. Went to Napa and found some hoses that fit top and bottom. So tonight I'm gonna try to finish wiring this thing. And what the hell else? Oh, and I'm gonna finish hooking up my cable for the trans and put my battery in. We're installing the battery behind the seat. I'm running, I think factory is 4 gauge. I'm gonna run 2 gauge, or yeah, 2 gauge. I'm gonna mount the battery right back here. Put some mounts back there. Run through the floor to the starter in the back of the head. Alright, I went ahead and hooked up the old return line from the gearbox. It goes right here, and so I'll just have to put a hose and loop it right here. Got my hose clamps on, hose clamps. And my plan is to put the fuse block like up here and the ECM next to it. We'll see if the wires will allow us to do that. So, let's start the wiring process. Alright, got my cable all cramped. I'm gonna slide some red heat shrink over it so we know it's a hot cable. And go to the next one. So that's what's going to the battery. It's all loomed. Or not the fucking battery. The starter. That's going to the starter. Cable's going through the floor. Let's see if this is visible. Ugh. There is the positive cable on this side, and so through the floor. So I got negative on this side and positive on this side. Using the same bolts all the way up. Alright, there's the hot going to the starter and the ground. So, that's it. Woo.